The Adventures of Lily, Finn, and Toad.
The Wizard Park. All right, go run and play. Go ahead, guys. I'm right behind you.
That rainbow.
Well, that is a rainbow. It's cool, right? Whoa! I see. Very, very cool.
Lavender blue, green, pink. Wait, not
What
pink.
colors do you see?
Wait, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and lavender.
Let me see. Yeah, that's pretty, right? Good job. Let's go. All right, guys. Wow. Good job, Finn. Are you a puppy dog? You're playing on Toto's house. Say, arr, arr. Arr, arr. Good job. You better eat out of the bowl.
There's a picture of a puppy in the picture.
Very nice. Go play on the spinner. That one's wet, buddy.
Just like it.
But then he'll be wet.
I do mind my butt.
Drums. Go ahead and hit it. Whoa. Good job, Finn. Very nice.
How about you do that one? I do this one if we want to do.
That's a good idea. Let's hear what you guys can do. Very, very pretty.
That's too much time.
Very good. It's okay, buddy. Very good.
When we do these on these, it goes louder.
It does. One side has a different pitch, you think? Oh.
Not different pitch. These make different sounds. This makes lower. This makes higher.
Very nice. Very good. What do you got right here, Finn? You got another one. Very nice. Let me hear it. Very pretty. good. Let me hear it, Lily.
How about I do these?
Yeah.
You do those.
Whoa, you mean me? Play? All right. Very nice. Whoa. Oh my goodness, can you do it? Finn, you got this? Yeah. Good job. Whoa. Good job. That's odd. Don't touch it. You don't touch other people's socks.
Look at me.
What are you doing? Are you a monkey? Say ooh, 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 ah, ah. Ooh, ooh, ah, ah. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah! Whee! Good job. Oh, that's a tough one. Good job.
Not tough for me.
Finn, you got this. Uh-oh. Whoa.
Grab my hand. Grab my hand. Grab my hand. The floor is rainbow.
It's a rainbow floor. How cool.
I don't even need it. Mom, I made it to the top.
Very good.
Mom, I'm not using
You got it, Lily.
Mom, I didn't even use these. I didn't even use these. I did a belly star.
Can you see do the belly slide again?
It's a little wet. Adventure Agent. Adventure Agent Lily.
Adventure Agent Lily. Whoa, hey, hey. None of that, Finn. Adventure Agent Butterfly and Dinosaur. Okay, let me see you come down. Good job, Agent.
Sideways.
You doing a belly slide? Let me see you come down. Whoa! Good job, Butterfly. Let's go play with the red shoes over there. Come over here. Look. Is that out? No. But it's cool. Are you guys climbing shoes? How cool is this? Very cool. No, because then you'll be cold.
It went fast.
I see you.
There's a bar I can find.
Come on down. Let me see you slide. Go. Whoa. Very good. Okay, guys, let's check out the trail.
What trail?
Well, there's a trail.
There's a cloud.
Good job. Whoa. Good job. Bluebird, cloud, brown bird, cloud, brown bird, cloud, red bird, cloud. You got it, Finn?
Cloud. Yes.
Whoa. Look at him. He's so cool and big. Step stool so that you can step up and see.
Well, I don't need to step up.
No,
I do.
he's looking at you guys. He's a corn snake. He eats mice and rats, bird eggs, frogs, and lizards.
But not people.
No, not people. You're a little too big.
Look, a little better.
He is really cool, guys.
Is this a corn snake?
Yes, that's a corn snake, buddy. Another one. Let's go look. Whoa, look at that one. He's pretty, guys.
What?
That one is an eastern king snake. Did you find a turtle? Whoa, look at the turtle. Look at him. Hi, dude. Look at him swimming. He's so cool.
He's like
Diamond back. He's so cute. In here should be another snake called a boa. I don't see him though. What's down there, Finn? Oh, look at them.
Sea turtle, owl.
They're so cute.
Algae does that. Would you a bigger sea turtle? Yes.
Is that want the fin sea turtle and the lily sea turtle, right?
Lily sea turtle.
Very cute.
And look, fish. And wait. I want sea turtle.
Is it Indonesian blue-tongued skink? Ooh, it eats insects, fruits, flowers, and berries.
What's in that?
Oh, look at the nuts. Look at them. He's cool, guys.
Oh,
Yeah.
it's a toad.
He's so good. That's a salamander in there. Hey guys, look at me. What does a toad say? Is that what they are? Okay, so that one is a gray tree frog then, and the other one is the green tree frog. What? We gotta get the jump. I'm gonna pick the flowers. They're so pretty.
Only the ones that have.
Yeah, I don't know what they're called, but they're super pretty. I think you crawl under them. Whoa! What? That's crazy. Come on, Finn, you can do it too. Good job. Good job. Lily, let me see how fast you can do it. Whoa!
Wait, there's seagulls.
Good job, Finn. Good job, Lily. Hey, check out this house. What's this? Oh my goodness, what is in there?
Hey, a mailbox.
Anything in the mailbox?
Nope.
Wait, check again. Anything in the mailbox? Flowers.
Here.
Oh, thank you. Oh, the spinners. You can do the spinner now. Whoa, round and round he goes. When he stops, you'll never know. What are you doing? That is not how that works. Are you dizzy? Don't fall down.
I can't spin myself.
Well, watch out, Lily.
He was spinning me.
Don't put your mouth on it, just near it.
Let's go. The ground and round we go.
He's under the castle. You want to go?
How are you doing on the spinner?
Good.
Whoa, good job.
We can be in.
It's kind of like a dog crate.
Or a house.
Yeah.
I'm in my house.
Even- ah,
Ow. I'm okay. I hurt myself. Ouchies. 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 Can you like spin?
Yes, of course. Ready?
Yes.
Woo!
Mom, it goes itself.
It does. That's really cool.
1, 2, 3, fast. There we go. Do you want to be the cowardly lion?
Whoa!
Itself.
Whoa, Finn, that's super fast.
Stop me.
Stop you? Okay, ready?
Yes.
Whoa. There we go.
Let's go on that tower.
Oh my God, on the big castle? That's a huge castle.
A tree. This is a spider.
It kind of is a spider web.
What's this one like?
That one's like a spider web too. What would you call it? Whoa, you okay, bud? Tough boy. You want to play in these little tunnels? Look at these. What color are you picking? You want the green one? The blue one's perfect, Finn.
My house. What can I
Is that your house? Let me see your head.
Thank you. I
Where's Finn?
You can come in.
There he is. Hi.
Where's this house?
Careful at the top. Whoa.
And maybe that's also what you say, like, am I not doing my job?
Whoa. Good job. In she goes. You know what? Playing with other kids is much better. Whoa. Good job, guys. Good job, guys.
That was bad.
Uh-huh.
What? Ready?
Yep.
You first. Wizard Park.
Did you have fun?
Yep.
All right, perfect. We'll come back and visit again.
Thank you for watching The Adventures of Lily, Finn, and Paul.